Now we will move on to our photo gallery. Should you wish to create a photo gallery, simply click New. Once we click New, we are taken to the Details tab. Give your gallery a name, and then add a filter. The filter will be applied on the gallery page, so that users can see specific images based on a particular item. For example, if you had a gallery called Weddings, you could add a filter called Weddings, and then on your gallery page, users can select this filter to only show images that come under the filter of Weddings. Finally, we have the Show on Gallery Page checkbox. Should you wish to have your gallery be visible on the gallery page, check this box. Moving on to the next tab, we can add some images to the gallery from the File Manager. Click on the Add New Photo button and the File Manager will appear. Select the image you wish to add, and then make sure you add a caption, the alternative text, and also a YouTube ID should you wish to have a YouTube video attached to the image. The last thing we need to do is order the images. Do this by selecting a number from the Order box below the YouTube ID. If you leave this blank, your images will appear in a random order, so if you'd like a custom order, please make sure you fill in this box. Once you are happy with your photo gallery, press Save, and you will be returned to the photo gallery page. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to check out our next video or view more videos, click the links at the top of the screen. And don't forget to hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss any more future videos.